everybody. Today, we will take you on a tour of Tulum, which is the site of the pre-Columbian Mayan walled city, which served as a port for Coba in the Mexican state of Quintana Roo. The ruins are situated on a 12-meter tall cliff along the east coast of the Yucatan Peninsula on the Caribbean Sea. Tulum was one of the last cities built and inhabited by the Maya. It was at its height between the 13th and 15th centuries and managed to survive about 70 years after the Spanish began occupying Mexico. By the end of the 16th century, the site was abandoned. One of the best preserved coastal Maya sites, Tulum is today a popular site for tourists.
ตรงนี้นะคะคือที่สำหรับนวดแป้งทาโก้นะคะซากสิ่งก่อสร้างที่เราเห็นด้านหน้าตรงนั้นนะคะก็คือที่อยู่อาศัยบ้านเรือนของชาวมายันในยุคนั้นค่ะ
Considering that the gods are good, but also the gods are bad. Yeah. So one of the examples, the sun, it is a god. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, but he also is bad. Yeah, but without sun, no life. Yeah, no life. Definitely. What happened? What happened with extra sun? Nothing. Yeah. Also, it is not good. Yeah. So our mother, the planet, she's good. She gives us everything. But what happened when she get mad? Hurricanes, earthquake, tornado, disease, pandemic, whatever. So she's good, but she's also bad. So there's duality. So then up there, do you see the small temple over there? Do you see above the door? It is something or somebody like doing something like this. Yeah. The one in Chichen Itza, Chenes. Yeah, one more Aquitos to the side, and this one is Costa Oriental, like the Oriental coast. Yeah, a Mayan create during 5,000 years. Mayan create 11. This it's Amna. It's Amna is the god of the creation for the Mayan. Do you see what?
Bueno, cualquier cámara.
You leave the same place, but this way, all the way to the left, and then back to the 7-Eleven.
อันนี้เป็นวัดของเขานะคะรอบๆตัววัดนะคะจะมีร่องรอยของการวาดรูปและการแกะสลักค่ะและเขาก็มีความเชื่อนะคะว่าวัดเนี้ยถ้าใครมาขอพรที่อยากจะมีลูกเนี่ยก็จะสำเร็จผลค่ะ
The site might have been called Zama, meaning City of the Dawn, because it faces the sunrise. Tulum stands on a bluff facing east towards the Caribbean Sea. Tulum is also the Yucatan Mayan word for fence, wall, or trench. The wall surrounding the site allowed the Tulum fort to be defended against invasions. Tulum had access to both land and sea trade routes, making it an important trade hub, especially for obsidian. From numerous depictions in murals and other works around the site, Tulum appears to have been an important site for the worship of the diving or descending god.
ตอนนี้เราก็มาอยู่จุดที่สูงที่สุดของทูรุมเลยนะคะซึ่งเป็นจุดชมวิวที่เราจะเห็นวิวที่สวยที่สุดเหมือนกันค่ะก็คือวิวของชายฝั่งของทะเลแคริบเบียนนะคะ
How was it? Did you enjoy the ancient ruins of Tulum and the ocean views of the Caribbean Sea? Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.